What if everything we know is not real? What if our lives are just part of a giant computer simulation? This is the simulation hypothesis. It's a mind-bending idea that has captivated scientists and philosophers alike. In 2003, Nick Bostrom wrote a paper about it. He argued that it's very likely we are living in a simulation. Bostrom gave us three possibilities. 1. Civilizations capable of creating simulations might never develop. 2. They might develop, but choose not to create simulations. 3. We are already in a simulation. The third possibility is the most intriguing. Think about how far technology has come. Computers are getting more powerful all the time. Moore's law says that computer power doubles every 2 years. If this continues, creating realistic simulations might be possible soon. So, are we living in a simulation? The thought is both fascinating and unsettling. Let's explore the evidence and the arguments. Modern physics offers some clues that might support the simulation hypothesis. One clue lies in the nature of energy. Energy doesn't flow smoothly. It's divided into tiny packets called quanta. This is like the pixels that make up an image on a computer screen. Another clue comes from the holographic principle. This principle suggests that our three-dimensional world might be an illusion. All the information might be stored on a two-dimensional surface, like a hologram. This is similar to how computers store information. Some physicists even propose that space-time itself is not smooth. They believe it's made of tiny, indivisible units. This is called pixelated space-time. If true, it would be a strong indication of a simulated reality. Finally, there's quantum indeterminacy. This means that particles don't have definite properties until they are observed. It's as if the universe is waiting for us to look before deciding what reality is. This could be a feature of how the simulation works. Consciousness is another puzzle piece in the simulation hypothesis. Are our thoughts and feelings real? Or are they just lines of code in a program? If we are in a simulation, is consciousness a bug or a feature? Some believe that consciousness is the key to the simulation. The observer effect in quantum mechanics suggests that our minds might influence reality. Perhaps consciousness is what makes the simulation work. Maybe our minds exist outside the simulation, interacting with it like players in a game. This raises questions about the soul and the afterlife. If our consciousness is separate from the simulation, it might continue to exist even if the simulation ends. The nature of consciousness is a deep mystery. It's at the heart of the debate about whether or not we live in a simulation. Not everyone believes in the simulation hypothesis. There are many valid criticisms. One major criticism is that the hypothesis is unfalsifiable. This means there's no experiment we can do to prove or disprove it. Another criticism is the lack of direct evidence. While there are some interesting coincidences in physics, there's no smoking gun that proves we are in a simulation. The Boltzmann brain paradox is another challenge. This thought experiment suggests that it's more likely for a single disembodied brain to randomly pop into existence than for a complex universe like ours to be simulated. Despite the criticisms, the search for evidence continues. Some scientists are looking for patterns in physical laws that resemble computer code. Finding such patterns would be a major breakthrough. What about Elon Musk, one of the greatest minds of our modern world? This is very interesting. Listen to this. Elon Musk, the tech entrepreneur, is actually a strong proponent of the simulation hypothesis. He believes that the odds are heavily in favor of us living in a simulation. Musk argues that video games are becoming incredibly realistic. Given enough time, we will likely create simulations that are indistinguishable from reality. If we reach that point, it's not unreasonable to think that other civilizations might have already done so. Musk's perspective highlights the rapid pace of technological advancement. It forces us to confront the possibility that our reality might not be what it seems. The unfalsifiable question. The simulation hypothesis, while intriguing, remains in the realm of speculation. It's a thought experiment more than a scientific theory. We simply don't have the tools or the knowledge to know for sure if we are living in a simulation. This doesn't mean we should dismiss the idea altogether. It's a powerful reminder of the limits of our understanding. It challenges us to question our assumptions about reality. The search for answers is what drives scientific inquiry. Even if we never definitively prove or disprove the simulation hypothesis, the journey of exploration will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries and insights. To finish with this captivating video, let me tell you this. The possibility of living in a simulation can be both exhilarating and terrifying. It challenges our perception of reality and our place in the universe. However, whether we are in a simulation or not, the universe remains a vast and mysterious place. Our own planet is filled with wonders and mysteries yet to be uncovered. The pursuit of knowledge, the exploration of the cosmos, and the search for meaning are fundamental to the human experience. We should embrace the unknown and continue to explore the universe with curiosity and wonder. The journey itself is just as important as the destination. Beyond the simulation, a call for exploration. The simulation hypothesis, while fascinating, should not distract us from the real wonders of the universe. The quest to understand our place in the cosmos is an ongoing one. We have made incredible strides in science and technology, but there is still so much more to learn. Let the possibility of a simulated reality inspire you to look closer at the world around you. Explore the natural world, delve into the mysteries of physics, and contemplate the nature of consciousness. The universe, simulated or not, is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the grandeur of existence. For in the end, the journey of discovery is what makes life truly extraordinary.